Amy, I've finally got one. We've finally got one. We've been and got ourselves a 36-inch Blackstone Grill from Costco. Yeah, just for anybody who's listening who can't hear Amy, it's because I've got the microphone over here, so she is talking to me. But we've wanted one of these for ages, haven't we? Yeah. Me or us? I think it's us. But how much did we pay for it? £360 it was, wasn't it? Absolute bargain. Now, we're going to do a little bit of an unboxing, as the influencers like to call them. And we're going to see exactly what we get for our money, because I am so excited to get cooking on one of these. Like, we've been talking about it for ages. Now the time's come to just get it unboxed, get it put together, hasn't it? So, come over here, Ames, bring your camera over here. Now, in case anyone's wondering, if you're going to go and get yourself one of these, make sure there's two of you. How heavy was it? How heavy is it? Like, it's ridiculously heavy in this box. It's not. But yeah, you need two of you. You definitely need two of you. But I'm so excited. But it's also the fact of, I hate doing stuff like this. I hate putting stuff like this together out of the box because it's just a pain.
I don't think you minded stuff like that.
No, I don't know, it's your stereotypical, like, not flat pack, but you know what I mean. It's just a pain. Right. Instructions.
Don't listen to them.
No bloke ever uses them, but I imagine at some point I'm going to refer to them. Off the camera. So, straight off the bat, I was wondering whether they were going to give you a regulator for your gas bottle. And they've got one. It's quite handy. I've already got one, like, but
Some not.
some of them don't. But obviously, I imagine for the money, and it's a reputable brand, that they are going to provide you with things like that. Right. How many pieces is it in? That's what I want to know. Oh.
How much are these if you don't get it from Costco?
Honestly, weren't they like 500 and something quid, 600 quid?
No, I think they're more like 8.
Were they? Right. How are we getting this out of here, Rose?
We.
Yeah, we. Right, I'm presuming. Oh God. What's that bit there?
So I'm guessing.
See, this is what I mean. You don't need instructions. Just wing it. Right. How do we stop them in there?
Don't know, the instructions will probably tell us.
Probably. Straight away to the instructions. Okay, at least we can let the people know how clear the instructions are now.
There you go, got some like...
Yeah, it's got them little pins in there, they're holding it on. What are we doing here now? Oh my God.
Page 4 it was, page 4.
No, because that starts off the assembly. It gives you all the...
We have only just started off.
Oh, they've cheaped out there. You need a AA battery. Not included. I'm guessing for the sparker. Not included. For the price, could have given me that. Look what they're hiding in here. In everything. They're the side trays. Oh my Christ.
I mean, it's not plastic crap, is it?
No. Nope. Right, we're going to leave that in there for now. Just leave that in there for now. I've lost my table now. I've kicked it down, I've lost my table. Oh! Yeah, but to be fair,
It's like Christmas Day.
that's not the worst I've seen. Some of the stuff that you brought home to put together furniture wise, and I've opened the packaging and I'm like, what the hell is this?
Good job this isn't a how-to guide, isn't it?
Nothing that I do is a how-to guide. I tell you what, when they tell you about wasting paper for the environment, but they've even written on it, this page is intentionally left blank. It's just Christ. Right, look.
Standing.
It's no longer falling apart. So, next bit. This is just all... These are just all like the little nitty gritty bits. So, tell you what we're going to do.
What's this here?
What?
What are these?
Couldn't tell you. Couldn't tell you. So, what we're going to do, we're going to get this put together. Yeah. Before we put the top on, we'll come back to them so that they can see just how pretty the top is. Because this is all just putting buttons on, putting handles on. Yeah?
Yeah.
Right. Back to you in a minute. Right, Aim. Look. 95% of the way there. Now, in all fairness, what I will say is, for anybody who's thinking about getting one or is interested, it's not that difficult to put together, is it? It's not
really.
like... You would think some of the barbecues we put together in the past, I'm like, why is this in this order? But this is quite simple. It is quite simple and straightforward, and everything is really good quality.
It's very beastly, isn't it?
No, but do you know, like all the fixings and everything, and the shelves and everything that you're having to put together, it is all very good quality. So, like, you are getting something decent for your money. I'll give them that. But we've now got the arduous task of putting that bad boy on. So,
It's a two-man job.
we're going to stand the camera up, and it's a two-man job. Yeah?
I haven't got a bra on.
It's not my problem. There we go. It's echo.
Jesus Christ, it does.
Look at that. That is pretty cool. Now we've got the long arduous task of seasoning it. But, like I said, it's really, really, really good quality. Obviously we've got to put the handle on the front there, which I'm going to do now. But it is very, very, very good quality. So I'm going to get the handle on, get it seasoned, and I'll come back to you when all the seasoning process is done. Now, there's many different arguments for how you season it and what you use to season it. I'm going to use beef dripping because that's what I prefer. I think people say, what have they said, Amy? You have to season it about 6, 7, 8 times.
What?
Yeah. So you've got to heat it up, let it cool down, heat it up, put some more oil on, let it cool down. But I'm not so sure. You don't do your cast iron pans that many times, do you? So we're just going to see. We're just going to go and... Yeah. And then, in fact, before we go, Amy, go and grab the little kit.
Where is it?
Upstairs, by my side of the bed. So we've actually bought as well. We've been one of them, like, brand geeks. We've bought like a Blackstone utility kit with it as well that goes with it. With all the utensils, the cooking utensils. You obviously don't need the Blackstone ones. You can get whichever brand you want. But I think for the price of it, Amy ordered it separately off somewhere like Amazon or somewhere. So for the price of it, it sort of made sense. It was silly not to buy them. So we got like the kit. So as you can see, it's got the spatulas in it. It's got a scraper and the 2 oil bottles. I think. Let me see. Yeah. Yes, it's got the 2 spatulas, the scraper and the oil bottles. So they're going to be hanging on nicely. But yeah, you don't have to get them, get whatever you want. We just thought it'd be, why not? So yeah, I'm going to get it seasoned. I'll come back to you when it's all seasoned and I'll give you my final thoughts on the whole thing when it's done and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, everyone. It's a few days later, as you can see. Now, I thought I was just going to cut it short and obviously do a bit of an unboxing and everything, but I thought, you know what? Let's cook something on it for the first time for the video, finish it off. Because I did all the seasoning and everything, went to cook something on it, ran out of gas with the bottle that I'd already got. So, been and picked up another bottle today. I'm going to get it all fired up and we're going to cook a little bit of breakfast on it. Just something dead simple, just because I want to see how it cooks for myself. Obviously, I've got high hopes for it. It's been really good as far as like seasoning and everything goes. But yeah, we're just going to get something quickly knocked up and then we'll see how it is. We're going to go with some bacon, some cheese, and we've got some of these, what's it called? And you go the durum wheat wraps. I'm going to cook up a little bit of breakfast, and we've got an egg, so we're really going to test the seasoning, see how good it is, see if this egg sticks. But yeah, right, we're going to wait for this to warm up, and we'll be back with it. Look at that. And I think from everything I've been told, you do have to keep an eye on it, because it will cook. Cooks a lot quicker than like cooking on a pan over the gas and things like that, so just need to keep an eye on that and make sure it doesn't go too mad. But yeah, oh my god, look at it, beautiful. Right, let's go for a flip. Nothing sticking, look. Oh yes. Not a sign of anything sticking there whatsoever. Absolutely world class. Clearly I've seasoned it well enough then. And I tell you what, it gives such a nice coloration to your bacon as well. Wow. Right, I think we'll move these out of the way now. Take them, move them away from the direct heat for a minute. Do you know what I might do as well? Seeing as that's all going in a wrap, I'm going to put the wrap on now and start melting the cheese inside the wrap itself. Let's put that there. Let's get the cheese on. Plenty of cheese in. Whoop. Get it in. Right, let's crack the egg as well. Now this is the true test. This is going to be the true test of the non-stick, as to whether I can do this egg with it or not. Right, let's get that bacon in there. Spread that about a bit. Nervous to flip this egg over. I mean, so far, look at this. So far, so good. Look at that wrap, beautiful. Let's see. Oh, is it? Oh, hell yeah. Look at that. There we go. Let's give it a quick flip over on the top. Put it in there. Now what we're going to do, we're going to flip that over. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. We're coming off. Oh wow, look at that. Absolutely gorgeous breakfast wrap. Beautiful. Now let's turn this off. I'm waiting. Let's see if we can get a bit of a money shot. Bursting the yolk. Let's open that up. Oh, look in there. Oh yes, perfect done egg with a beautiful runny yolk in there. And that is how we cook on the Blackstone Grill. Dead simple, dead easy, that was amazing. So easy to cook on, so much easier than cooking in there. And the seasoning process obviously went well. So I'm going to get this heat, clear this off, give it another coat of seasoning, because that's what you've got to do every time you cook it, as far as I understand, is just give it another shot of oil, let it heat in, and then we're done. Yeah, hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, hit that like button, hit that comment button, leave us know your thoughts, and hit the subscribe button most importantly. We'll see you on the next one. I'm going to get this heat. Oh. Bye guys.